Bilkis Bano has moved the Supreme Court seeking reconsideration of the apex court order releasing the convicts who were convicted of raping her and of killing her family members in the 2002 Gujarat riots. Bilkis Bano filed a review plea in the Supreme Court and also a writ petition challenging the release of the 11 convicts. Bano in her plea has stated that the appropriate government to decide on the release would be a Maharashtra government and not Gujarat. Let's go across to Arvind for more on this story. And Arvind, give us more details, firstly, of the review petition that has been put forth by Bilkis Bano.
Gargi, Bilkis Bano has moved Supreme Court with two petitions. One, a review petition, and second one, a writ petition. In a review petition, she has sought for the reconsideration of the apex court order. In fact, Supreme Court earlier had, on hearing the plea by one of the convicts, had said that the Gujarat government can decide on the remission plea of the convicts based on the 1991 remission policy. So that was an order that was given by the Supreme Court, and based on this particular order, Gujarat government, based on the 1991 remission order, released all these 11 convicts who are accused of raping and also brutally murdering the family members of Bilkis Bano. So that's where first petition by Bilkis Bano is a review petition challenging the Supreme Court, seeking a reconsideration of the Supreme Court order that asked Gujarat government to decide on the remission plea based on 1991 remission policy. She has also filed a writ petition challenging the release of these 11 convicts by the Gujarat government also. That has been challenged by her in the way of a writ petition. So in her writ petition, she has said that the decision to remit or release all these 11 convicts should have been taken by the Maharashtra government and not by the Gujarat government. And according to her in her plea, she has said that the trial, everything happened in the state of Maharashtra, and that's why she is saying that Maharashtra government is the appropriate government in order to decide on the remission of these 11 convicts. And she has said that Gujarat government is not the appropriate government to decide on the remission of these 11 convicts. So in a way, she has challenged the remission of all these 11 convicts, and also she has sought for the reconsideration of the Supreme Court order that had allowed Gujarat government to decide on the remission.
Right, and Arvind, already there is a case that has challenged the release of the rapists in the Bilkis Bano case, that case filed by, CPI politician Subhashini Ali and also Mahua Moitra, etc. So that case is also ongoing?
Yeah, Gargi, that's a separate case. In fact, those people, including Subhashini Ali and also Mahua Moitra, had challenged the release of all these 11 convicts in the case of Bilkis Bano in a way of a PIL that is pending before the Supreme Court, and the matter was supposed to be heard by Justice Ajay Rastogi bench, but because Justice Ajay Rastogi was also part of a constitution bench that is hearing the Jallikattu matter, and that's why the two-judge bench could not sit, and that's why the matter was not taken up for hearing. In the meantime, Bilkis Bano herself has moved the Supreme Court because she is directly connected to this matter. She has moved the court not through a PIL, public interest litigation, but as a victim. That's why she has sought for a reconsideration of the Supreme Court order and also a writ petition challenging the release of all these convicts.